Memories linger in the air. I hold your hand, feeling the rhyme. You look at me with misty eyes and softly say, this is our goodbye. Good and fine, a bittersweet refrain in my heart, echoes of your name. For a moment every sigh, caught between the good and bad. Memories linger in the air, of laughter shared, of moments rare. You turn to leave and whisper low, remember me wherever you go. Good and fine, a bittersweet refrain in my heart, echoes of your name. For a moment every sigh, caught between the good and bad. In the silence I hear your voice, a haunting melody, no choice. Take care, my love, you softly spoke, as my heart in silence broke. Good and fine, a bittersweet refrain in my heart, echoes of your name. For a moment every sigh, caught between the good